3 of 2024, etc. Sunni Ittihad Council through its chairman Faisalabad and another versus Election Commission of Pakistan through its secretary Islamabad and others.
My Lord's Ladyship. My Lord, I aim to conclude in under 30 minutes, hopefully, if I have. I just have 4 straightforward legal submissions for consideration of this Honorable Court. My Lord, my first submission is that the party affiliation certificates, as well as the under Section 66 of the Elections Act, as well as the Forms 66 under Section 104, read with Rule 92.6.
Rule
92.6, my Lord.
94. 92.
94? 94, I beg your pardon. Abdullah's corrected me, sir. I beg your pardon. Both these documents, my Lord, they're on record as issued on behalf of PTI, are signed by Mr. Gohar Ali Khan as chairman of PTI. My Lord, my submission is that as of the date on which both these documents are issued, there was no organizational structure legally recognized by the ECP of PTI on account of PTI not having conducted its intra-party elections in accordance with sections 208, read with 209 of the Elections Act.
Just slow down a bit.
On that date, you mean 13th of...
Ji, sir. And sir, the Form 66 are dated 22/12. The Form 66, they're dated 22nd of December, sir.
Which are the sections you quoted?
So the sections I quoted are... Sir, for the party affiliation certificate, Section 66.
Abhi दूसरे वाले.
दूसरा Section 104.
No, 208 and 209.
I beg your pardon, sir. 208 and 209, my Lord.
So the date of the certificate is what?
So the dates of the certificates, there's various. There's a lot of them there, and they're basically principally of 13/1, sir.
Right.
And the Form 66 are all dated 22nd, which is when the ECP
So when
order
the
was
22nd of
December, sir. Please,
23.
Every certificate is not on 13th.
I beg.
Every certificate is not on 13th.
My Lord is absolutely correct.
Certificates were issued prior to 13. Mr. Gohar was chairman.
Absolutely correct, my Lord. But that's why I said they're principally issued on the 13th. There's some of the 12th also.
Principally, it should have been attached with the nomination paper, which is the last date is 24th December.
जी.
वो principally तो वो होना है.
My Lord, वो मैंने submit किया था. I've already said कि वो section before applying for symbol, that's the cutoff date for that. I've made submissions on that for my Lord.
अगर आप थोड़ा सा इस तरह बता दें, क्योंकि अपनी bunch of document दिए जिसमें तमाम लोगों के जो candidates थे उनके nomination papers हैं. नॉमिनेशन पेपर में लिखा है कि सर्टिफिकेट अटैच्ड, और बहुत सारे के साथ सर्टिफिकेट उसी दिन अटैच, जो कि लास्ट डेट ऑफ सबमिशन ऑफ नॉमिनेशन पेपर दैट वाज 24th of December. बाय दैट डेट द जजमेंट वाज नॉट इन फील्ड, क्योंकि जजमेंट 13 को पॉज.
Lord, but the ECP order, I'm sorry to interrupt, my Lord. My Lord, these are the 3 dates which may be noted. The ECP order is dated 22nd of December, 2024. 23, I beg your pardon. We haven't reached that yet. Sorry, my lady. So, my Lord, the ECP order comes first, which holds that there is non-compliance with Section 208 and 209. That came on 22nd of December. Then, my Lord, there is the Peshawar High Court judgment, which comes on 10/1/2024.
No, but then there is another important date, which is 26th of December, when that judgment got suspended.
ठीक है जी.
So we'll have to see during that period when the certificate was issued. Correct?
Absolutely. I'm with my lords. I concede this. And So my submission is that majority of them, my lord, जो हैं वो 13 के हैं, and 22nd को तो order जिस दिन आया है उस दिन तो forms 66 उस date के थे. But my lord has noted my submission. I'll move on. Grateful.
लेकिन आप ये भी हमें बताएंगे कि जो तरीक़ेकार है, आया गलती कहाँ से किसने की है, ये असल चीज आपने बताना है कि ये जो नॉमिनेशन पेपर बहुत से जो मैं देख रहा था उसमें
जी।
उनमें तो डिक्लेरेशन
ब्लैंक्स भी हैं सर. और अब सर देखिए, जब ब्लैंक होता है तो मेरा सिंपल सा उस पे सबमिशन है दैट द ब्लैंक वन इज अ क्लियर कट इंडिकेशन दैट he is an independent then, unless before the date of
इंडिकेशन पे ना जाए. लॉ कहता है कि when certificate is attached he is party candidate, otherwise independent.
और सर वो अगर माय लॉर्ड ने पूछा मेरे से कि अगर वो ब्लैंक है तो क्या होगा, सो आई
सर्टिफिकेट नहीं होगा तो इंडिपेंडेंट होगा.
एग्जैक्टली. सो दैट वाज माय आंसर जी. माय लॉर्ड एंड आई आर ऑन द सेम पेज सर.
ये पेज आप जरा फाड़ दें, हम एक पेज पे नहीं होना चाहते.
ओके My lord, I'm getting prompts that मैंने अब्दुल्ला को कहा है कि मुझे prompts करो every 5 minutes कि मैं 30 मिनट से पहले मैं खत्म कर दूंगा. 5 मिनट मेरे गुजर गए हैं. I'll move to the second one. My lord, second submission is, so this was for party certificates. Second submission,
Your first
my lord,
submission, if I just want what I've
Sir,
taken away
sir,
from it,
sir.
you saying that the certificates themselves were defective because
They're void ab
there was
initio.
no chairman because of the decision of 22nd.
That's right, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, and they're void. They're void.
They're
basically,
void.
because they have no sanctity in law. They're not backed by any validly authorized person.
Okay.
Second submission, my lord, is, and for this I can refer to the Hamid Raza book, as it were, जो मैंने आपको दी थी. उसमें एक टिकट भी लगा हुआ है, which is of the 13th. Here, my lord, my submission is that as far as Mr. Hamid Raza is concerned, the chairman. I need not refer to it right now. my lord.
Is it good? Glad that you come to this because I was about to ask you कि exactly इनका भी जरा से एक दफा factually बता देते कि what were the documents he had filed.
ठीक है जी. तो पहले my lord, my submission अपना दे दूंगा.
जी दे.
My lord, my submission here is that Mr. Hamid Raza is admittedly is and was the chairman of the appellate number 1. He is appellate number 2 in civil appeals. The appellate number 2, my lord, being chairman, was fully able and had this option available to have issued a party affiliation certificate to himself, and upon issuing this to have contested election as a candidate of SIC. Had this been done, and had he been returned, as he has been as an independent, then, my lord, the requirements that I have humbly submitted before this honorable august bench, in terms of formulation 1, that there needs to be a So, my lord,
So इसी में अगर while you're at it,
I'll come to the document.
I don't want to dislodge your way of thinking, but just if you could refer to the documents once again, just a recap.
I'll take my
What was his nomination? What was the certificate?
बिल्कुल. मैं पहले सर अपना वो लिखवा दूं. Most grateful. So, my lord, here basically what I'm saying is that Mr. Hamid Raza would have issued the ticket to himself, being chairman, and if he had contested as SIC and was returned, then the requirement of, in my formulation 1, of SIC having at least one directly elected general seat member would have been met. But this was, for reasons best known to him, not done. My lord, third formulation is
इसका
that,
facts
sorry sir.
I mean, sorry to dislodge you.
नहीं sir,
we just want, because
I'm just going to
a
write
recap कि इसके documents दो क्या थे.
Absolutely sir, absolutely.
There are two things to a nomination.
मेरे ज़हन में एक चीज आई है which I missed, so I'm just noting it down. Just remind me. My lord, आ जाते हैं. So, my lord, first of all, I'm going to Mr. Hamid Raza's